In an era increasingly defined by environmental consciousness and technological innovation, the electric vehicle EV market is poised for unprecedented growth in 2024. Industry experts predict a significant uptick in EV sales, propelled by advancements in technology, supportive government policies, and shifting consumer preferences. Key drivers of the EV surge: technological advancements. One of the most compelling factors behind the projected increase in EV sales is the rapid advancement in battery technology. Innovations have led to longer ranges and shorter charging times, addressing two of the most significant concerns consumers previously had about EVs. Companies like Tesla, Nissan, and Chevrolet are leading the way with models that offer ranges exceeding 300 miles on a single charge. Government incentives and regulations. Governments around the world are introducing policies and incentives to encourage EV adoption. For instance, several European countries have set ambitious targets for phasing out petrol and diesel cars, while others offer tax rebates and subsidies for EV purchases. In the United States, the federal government has extended tax credits for EV buyers, and many states offer additional incentives. Infrastructure development. The expansion of charging infrastructure is also contributing to the rise in EV sales. Major cities and highways are increasingly equipped with fast charging stations, making long-distance travel in EVs more feasible. Companies like ChargePoint and Electrify America are rapidly expanding their networks. Environmental concerns and fuel prices. Growing awareness of climate change and the volatility of fuel prices are pushing consumers towards more sustainable and economical transportation options. EVs offer a cleaner alternative to traditional combustion engines, aligning with the global shift towards sustainability. Diverse range of models. The EV market is no longer limited to small, economy-sized cars. Luxury models, SUVs, and trucks are now part of the EV lineup, appealing to a broader consumer base. The upcoming releases from brands like Rivian, with their all-electric pickup trucks, and Ford's electric version of their best-selling F-150, are generating considerable excitement. Implications and future outlook. The surge in EV sales has far-reaching implications. Economically, it's spurring growth in related sectors such as battery manufacturing and charging infrastructure. Environmentally, it's a step towards reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change. However, challenges remain, including the need for more widespread and faster charging infrastructure and ongoing improvements in battery technology to further increase range and reduce costs.